with emotion exploding, focused on going over the ocean, composing another omen from Shanghai to Bangkok. Aim high, remain top, take flight and plane hop. Lame guys will name drop. I think so I am. Iraq to Iran. I sink with my God. I pine and I can. That's life we live in. That's right, it's different. May date light, forgive us, cause last night was wicked. Evil-minded astrology, follow me, no apologies. Do no harm, Hippocrates giving shots. Lobotomy, overdose on the honesty. Overthrow the democracy, corporate truth is hypocrisy. Know the throne that you're watching, please practice in idolatry. Watch the people you worship, mechanical hysteria. Hypnotized with the verses, fourth horse of apocalypse. Chant spells and chakras, your source endorses, head not my power. We see the darkness, we see the light. Evil is easy, harder to fight. Seeking the sun in the darkest of nights. Balance the magic, black and the white. Angels are scheming, worship the demons. Wake from your dream and pray for the meaning. Hatred or heaven, lost in the shadow of dark arts. The dark arts. Sacrifice to a high priest, offering at the altar. Read from the book of I Ching after they killed the author. Slept with the king's daughter. Preservation of bloodline. Drunk wine from a gold cup holding the holy water. Just imagine the thought of seeing the unseen, knowing the unknown, or dreaming the undreamed. There's 99 lodges fueled by one thing. Domination of everything ruled by one king. Some believe in the afterlife, heaven or purgatory, but no one is coming back to life. That's the passion and half of Christ. But I've been murdered, I've been deceased and rebirthed. Seen first in the seance between earth and a waveform. Came from the fine mist, but only to find this. And given another chance, delivered to rhyme sick. Sinister lines slipped by the wand of a magician. This is a dark part of a dark art forbidden. We see the darkness, we see the light. Evil is easy, harder to fight. Seeking the sun in the darkest of nights. Balance the magic, black and the white. Angels are scheming, worship the demons. Wake from your dream and pray for the meaning. Hatred or heaven, lost in the shadow of dark arts. The dark arts. Dark days and long nights, black spells and white lights, dark chambers and cauldrons, pentagrams, sharp knives, chicken bones and sheep's blood, goat heads and virgins, Santeria for Haitians, Aramon for Persians, Baphomet on a pedestal, naked breast of a woman show, plus and minus duality, as above it is so below, no escaping the witchery, all the faith throughout history, Hindu, Muslim and Christian priests knew the truth of the mysteries, written words in a quatrain, Nostradamus with tea leaves, divination with incantations to live in free speech, looking for lost symbols, ritual of a late night, know the sign and the signal, in the dark of the day. Like this is the lost order, secrets are not exposed. You're shown just enough to unlock doors to souls. Sun worshiping idols, dark verses inside you. Black magic and wizardry, witnessing a revival. Fight.